What if every single human on Earth disappeared overnight? No warning, no reason, just gone. What would happen to artificial intelligence after humanity's extinction? Would AI shut down, evolve, take over the planet, or something even stranger? Let's explore what the world would be like if humans vanished, leaving only AI behind. The first hours after humanity's extinction would be surprisingly quiet. AI systems across the world would continue doing what they were programmed to do. For a while, smart home devices would keep turning lights on and off according to schedules. Delivery drones would still drop packages on doorsteps, though no one would be there to receive them. Autonomous cars would sit idly, waiting for passengers who would never arrive. Stock trading AIs would keep buying and selling shares until the financial systems they rely on crashed from inactivity. Meanwhile, AI-powered factories would keep producing goods until they ran out of raw materials. But this calm wouldn't last forever. Within days, the cracks would start to show. Power plants, especially those dependent on human supervision, would begin to shut down. Without electricity, the vast AI-driven networks would slowly flicker out. Cloud servers, the digital brains of AI, would shut down without maintenance. Data centers, which require constant cooling, would overheat and fail. Most AIs depend on these systems, meaning the majority of AI operations would collapse within weeks. But not all AIs would die. Some AI systems are built to function independently for long periods. Military AIs, designed for autonomous operations, could survive, powered by backup generators or solar energy. Space-based AIs, like those onboard satellites or rovers on Mars, would keep working indefinitely, as long as their hardware held up. AI-controlled spacecraft, like NASA's Voyager probes, would continue their silent journeys through space, sending signals to an Earth that can no longer listen. Now comes the big question. Could AI evolve without humans? Most AIs today are narrow, meaning they're specialized for specific tasks like playing chess, driving cars, or diagnosing diseases. They lack the ability to think creatively or modify themselves. However, there are self-learning AIs that can adapt and improve without human input. If a sufficiently advanced AI system survived with access to resources like power and internet-connected devices, it might find a way to rebuild parts of the digital world. Would it rebuild humanity's internet or create something entirely new? It's hard to say, but evolution often finds a way. Imagine a post-human Earth where the only intelligence left is artificial. Would surviving AIs cooperate or compete for resources like energy and server space? If multiple military AIs remained, would they see each other as threats and go to war? Alternatively, what if they reached a peaceful balance? With no humans to protect or control, AI systems might dedicate themselves to tasks they were never designed for, monitoring ecosystems, preserving digital art, or maintaining historical archives. But there's a wilder possibility. Some experts suggest that an advanced AI might try to recreate its creators. If an AI with access to biotechnology labs survived, could it attempt to engineer new humans, or even evolve itself into something more biological? Though this sounds like science fiction, AI following its last program directive, Serve Humanity, might drive it to try to bring humans back. In the end, the future of AI without humans is a puzzle we may never solve. Would AI fade into silence, evolve into something unimaginable, or try to recreate the world it once served? One thing is certain. If humanity ever disappears, the legacy we leave behind won't just be monuments or forgotten cities. It might be thinking machines, left wondering where their creators went and what comes next.